Hey guys, welcome to Lilith's Kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today, I'm going to be making a delicious recipe with these delicious mangoes right here. I'm going to be making homemade marmalade or homemade jam. And the ingredients that I'm going to be using are 4 mangoes diced up and 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to be using some lime juice from 1 lime. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is wash your fruits to get all the dirt off of them. After you wash them, you want to dry them very well. So now you want to peel the mango, and you want to cut the mango up in cubes to make it easier to blend. I use to make my smoothie, so it comes out a lot smoother and it's a lot cleaner than putting it in a blender. I'm going to add a half a cup of water to this because it not only helps the blending process, but it also stretches it a little bit. So if you have 3 mangoes and you add water, it's going to give you a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to take the top off and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy and smooth. So we're going to go to the stove so we can start cooking up the mango. So here I have a strainer and I'm going to start pouring the pulp in so that I can strain any residual strings from the mango. So this is what we have here, and if you have any residual left over like this, just throw it away, because you don't need that to make the marmalade. Now we're going to add a half a cup of water, and to this we're adding 1 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar. If it's too sweet for you, add a little less sugar. And this is going to reduce down to about a half a cup. I'm going to start adding some lime juice to it. And this lime juice is to preserve it, and also to prevent it from getting bacteria. After 15 minutes, you want to turn your flame down to medium-low. So the lime juice is not only to kill the bacteria, but it's also for flavor. And we're going to add cinnamon stick also for flavor. So after 15 minutes, the mixture is starting to get thicker, and it's starting to get a little darker in color. Look how pretty it is. The consistency is at the right texture and it's the right thickness. So at this point, you want to test it out to see if you need more sugar. But it's basically ready. So now we're going to transfer this into a jar. And when you're transferring the mixture, be careful because it's really, really hot. Well guys, that's all to this, and I'm going to clean the jar, but I just want to show you how nice and delicious this is. All you have to do now is let it get cold and serve it. It's really good with crackers, cream cheese, bread, really anything. Well anyway guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe already, and please hit the notification bell. Alright guys, see you later, bye bye.